Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the keyboard. Plug a wired USB keyboard into a front or rear USB port, or pair a Bluetooth model through the console's devices menu. Once done, sign into your profile and give the Xbox 10 to 20 seconds to recognize the hardware. This immediate action avoids delays later because Roblox reads the console's input state at launch. If the keyboard lights up or types in the dashboard, you're ready to move on. Don't relaunch games yet. Now launch Roblox with the keyboard already connected. Many games only activate keyboard input at game start. Once in a Roblox experience, open the in-game settings or accessibility panel to enable keyboard and chat input. Make sure the chat focus toggle isn't blocking gameplay keys, and if the game provides custom key mappings, set them to comfortable bindings. This ensures you control movement, menus, and chat correctly. Otherwise, inputs might go to the dashboard instead of the game. Finally, use standard keys. WASD for movement where supported, arrow keys as a fallback, enter to open chat, and ESC to release cursor focus. If inputs feel unresponsive, remap keys in the game or toggle accessibility settings. Sometimes disabling and re-enabling keyboard input forces recognition. If problems persist, reconnect the keyboard, restart Roblox, and check Xbox firmware and Bluetooth battery levels. One key tip: always close and relaunch the specific Roblox title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.